Greetings from Florida. Here we're working on a 2008 to 2011 Ford Focus. It's the driver's front. We're changing the window regulator. The clip is at double speed, so you don't have to spend all day watching it. We're taking off the plate behind where you would open the door. You need a small, either a small knife or something with a prong. Taking off the switch, unplugging it, taking off that cover there. I just sprayed a little bit of WD-40 in the channels at the top. It's a good idea. I think that they were Phillips, but I'm not sure. They could have been Torx. I don't remember. A little magnet comes in handy. And you can pull it up. And then you're going to remove the cable from the interior handle. I think I'm going to peel all the plastic off so you can see clearly what's going on. Take out the speaker. If you find the video helpful, do me a favor, like, L-I-K-E, like the video. That'll help other people such as yourself find it on YouTube. If you have any questions, ask right here on YouTube. I'll be glad to answer within a day or so. If you'd like us to do this for you and you're in Tampa Bay or Minnesota, give us a call, Power Up Auto. Before you go to the trouble of taking everything out, make sure you have the right part. Obviously, we double check them twice before we take them from the stores we get them at, but that's what you want to do. Just hold it up, make sure it matches up. We're going to pull the glass up, take off the 10 millimeter bolt there on that clip, and there should be one other one right there. Suction cup, Harbor Freight International, $3. We'll hold it in place while you're working on it. You've got some 10 millimeter nuts all around it. I think they're 10 millimeter. No, maybe not. Maybe they weren't. They might have been 8. Unplug the motor. These usually are replaced as a motor regulator assembly. There's a clip right there, if I'm not mistaken. And what I did just now that you didn't see is I opened up the 10 millimeter bolt on those clips that go on the glass, just enough so that the glass would go into it. As you can see, this is not that complicated. And I'm just going to plug it in to get the clips to where I need them to be so I can go ahead and put the glass into it. Oh, I already tightened it down. Just a touch of W40 on the sides and the channels. And the rest of this, I'm sure you can watch by yourself. There's nothing else I need to tell you about this. This is all pretty easy. So go ahead and like the video and just post any questions right here on YouTube, and I'll try to get to you within a day. Thanks. Have a good week.